Hello and welcome, everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to import roles from WordPress into vitepos. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, thank you for being part of our community. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the WordPress Users module. To begin, we need to add a new user. Click on Add New User, then fill in all the required details. For this example, we're assigning the role of Shop Manager. Once completed, you'll see that the user with the Shop Manager role has been successfully created. Now, head over to the vitepos admin panel, go to the Role module, and open the Role List tab. To import a role from WordPress, click on the Import WordPress Roles button in the top right corner. From the list, select the role you want to import, then click Add Role. And that's it, the WordPress role has been successfully imported into vitepos. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share for more updates. Thanks for watching.